Manufacturing companies generally aren't as well known as companies that sell directly to customers. That doesn't mean you should just use any old clip art for a logo and call it a day. Even though end consumers might never see your logo, you can be sure that potential business partners and clients definitely will. Your logo is the first thing they're going to see and is going to be the first indicator of the quality they can expect from your products. A professional logo is going to let potential business partners know they're dealing with a company that cares about quality and image. Placeit's manufacturing company logo makers are an excellent way to quickly and easily create a professional looking logo that's going to let potential business partners know they're dealing with a serious company. Let me show you just how easy it is. To make our manufacturing logo, we go to the top left-hand side where it says Logos, and we simply click on that. Next, we want to filter out these logos by going to this middle section here, clicking on All Industries. That's going to bring up this drop-down, and we slide down to where it says Industrial, and we click on that. Here we're going to see all the manufacturing and industrial-related logo templates that we can use. As you can see, there are a bunch of different types. So we can also just click on any one of these to start editing it, or we can type our company name here. For example, let's say it's Sprocket Manufacturing, and watch as Placeit generates previews using all these different templates so we can get a better idea of which one we're going to like to use as a starting point. So once we've picked out a template, we can continue to edit it by going over to the left-hand side where we have all our different text options. Each one of these little text boxes, you can simply click on them and start to delete the text or type in anything you want. And you'll see that the preview updates in real time. So that makes it super easy to edit your logo and get exactly what you want. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that here. All right. Now, to the right, you'll notice we have two little numbers. These let us know the maximum number of characters that can fit on that line. So here we're at 12 characters, but we can fit a maximum of 17. So just something to keep in mind so that the design always looks great. To the left, we have a little check mark. And if we click on it, we'll remove that piece of text from the design. I'm going to click on it again and add that line back. Below, we have the font picker. I can click on it and we get a drop down of all the different font options we have for this line of text. To select any one of these, just click on it, just like that, and the font will update automatically. To the right, we have the color picker button, and if we click on it, we get a bunch of preset colors that we can choose from. So we can click on any one of these, or we can click on more to get more options. So we can choose basically any color we could imagine. And we could also input the hex code for a color right here if we happen to have that. And to set it, we would just click on choose, just like that. So let me go ahead and finish editing this here. I'm going to change this back. I'm going to change this, the font for this piece of text to be the same. So that's this one here. I'll leave the colors as they are. I'll leave this as it is, and we'll move on to the right-hand side to now edit the graphic and the colors. So here we have a bunch of different graphic options, and this would be the color picker for the graphic. We would click on it, and we get the same presets, and if I click on more, we would get that little panel that opens up with all the other color options, just like we do for the text. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this little sprocket icon here. That looks pretty good. Below, we have the background color picker. If I click on it, once again, we get more presets, and we can click on more. So let me just choose a nice blue here, but I think I want something a little bit brighter, so I'm going to click on more. I'm just going to edit that, maybe a little darker. Click on choose, and there we go. I think that looks much better. So now the graphic, I'm going to go back up here and change it from orange to white. Slide over to the left-hand side, and I'm going to edit the colors for the text now to be a nice light blue. So that's one thing that's super easy about using Placeit's templates is that if you decide you want to change something, it's very easy. Since you're not working with a designer, you don't have to email back and forth or send files back and forth. You can simply edit it until you're satisfied and then download when you're ready. So there's no middleman, and it's super easy and super quick. So once you're satisfied with your design and you're ready to download it, you simply go to the top section here where it says download, and you click on that. And you're going to get this little window that gives you the format and the resolution. So it's going to be a PNG file, and it's going to be 4000 by 4000 pixels. And then once you're ready, you simply click on purchase and you follow those steps. And there we go, a great professional logo that accurately represents our manufacturing company, and we didn't have to hire an expensive designer or spend hundreds of dollars to make. Placeit also has design templates that let you complete your branding with professional business cards so you can network and promote your services in a polished and visually attractive way, and ad makers to let you create ads to promote your manufacturing services all across the web. For only $29 a month, you can get unlimited access to all of Placeit's tools. Don't put off having a professional and consistent image any longer. You don't have to hire expensive designers or put up with using a logo that makes your company look like amateur hour. Sign up for a Placeit subscription today and give your company the consistent and professional image it deserves. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to take your manufacturing company to the next level with Placeit.